just prototype. Yeah, maybe 2 or 3 or 4, 5. I don't know exactly. Hopefully.
It's pretty cool.
Absolutely. Unbreakable display.
Unbreakable.
Yeah.
Scratch
because
proof.
there is no glasses. Typically, display use glasses, but it doesn't need glass.
That's
Typical
crazy.
display has glasses, but it doesn't need. It's just plastic.
How big can you make it? Can you make it really big? Or are you constrained to
I
a
think-
specific size or resolution? Or?
I think last year we made 6.5 USD.
6.5 inch?
Yes.
That's crazy.
It's amazing. It's vivid color. AMOLED has a lot of advantages.
Yeah.
Vivid color, free viewing angles, and fast responses.
How much is the battery consumption? Must be really good.
That's good. It's much more advanced, improved, enhanced, compared to previous.
Sweet.
We first started with a lot of different types of concepts and designs, and after a lot of iterations and testing and vetting, we really kind of narrowed it down to 2 designs, which was a large and a small, and before you knew it, the Portal was born.
We needed to ensure that it was not only waterproof, but also flexible, shatterproof, and wearable.
We needed to build a team of incredible people with a wide range of skill sets who are all unified to pursue our mission and break the mold of the mobile market. The problem with the mobile market right now is that the phones are all the same, and what little differentiation they have is that some are less user-friendly and some are less durable. Things like this still happen, so we're here to change that.
With the vibrant palette, clean typography and easy to understand icon set, the Portal UI is an experience that cannot be missed. Why be stuck with the same old design when you've got a new refreshing interface to play with? An interface that helps you interact, that knows what you want and works with you in the way that you want it to work.
The Portal not only has all the features you would expect, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, but also has a waterproof Kevlar-infused polyurethane body, a 6-inch flexible display, wireless charging, an unlocked network, and so much more.
you